So I don't know how well you can see this. I just came outside and these two doves are fighting. I can't zoom in on my phone. They've been going at it for about 5 minutes now. And that one on the wire over there keeps creeping in. And the other dove don't like it too much. That one up there. Or that one doesn't like it too much. He keeps creeping over. And the other one attacks it. I think they slowed down because I stepped out here. But I couldn't film it from my porch. Trees are in the way. Maybe he's had enough now. They were going back and forth between the tree and the wire. Get him. Fine, as soon as I start filming, they stop.